I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Wi-Fi or Network and Internet. This is where Android stores active network details. Make sure you are connected to the router whose password you need, because Android only reveals keys for saved or active networks. Once connected, tap the network name to view details. You may be prompted to confirm with your PIN or fingerprint. This protects credentials, so have your unlock method ready. Doing this first saves time and prevents lockouts later. Next, tap the connected network and look for Share or a QR code option. Android generates a scannable code that contains the password. You must authenticate again, which is why the PIN or biometric step is essential. This prevents unauthorized access. Once the QR code appears, either scan it with another phone or long press the code to copy or view plain text on some builds. If you don't see Share, go to Saved Networks or Advanced Settings, because manufacturers sometimes place the export feature there. Finally, scan the QR with a reader that displays the encoded text so you can read or copy the Wi-Fi password. Many scanners will show the password string directly. If scanning fails or Share is unavailable, log into the router's admin page via its IP, often 192.168.0.1, or check the router label for a default key. If things go wrong, make sure Android is updated and consider enabling developer Wi-Fi options or restarting settings. These steps often restore the Share feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.